Good day, ma'am and sir, and all employers in Hong Kong. I am Liza Z. Cornelio. I am 40 years old. I live in Barangay 4, Tanhay City, Negros Oriental, Philippines. I am single and I don't have kids. My father's name is Tomas Cornelio Disease. My mother's name is Griselda Cornelio, 62 years old, and she is a vendor. I have only one sister. I am the eldest. I am a Roman Catholic. I am a first year level of college HRM course. My work experience as domestic worker in Kuwait for 2 times. My first employer, I served 5 members of the family, 2 adults, 3 children, ages 5, 3, and infant. My second employer, for 3 years and 6 months, I served 6 members of the family, 2 adults, 4 children, ages 12, 7, 3, and infant.
Why do you want to work abroad or in Hong Kong?
Hong Kong is near the Philippines. Second, Hong Kong is a high salary. Third, Hong Kong, the law of Hong Kong are equal.
Are you willing to take care of babies and children?
Yes, I am.
About how many children do you think you can take care at a time?
4 or 5 children.
What are your duties as a babysitter?
Clean their bottles and sterilize, feed them on time, change his diaper, taking a bath, clean their clothes and surroundings.
What are your duties as a domestic helper?
Cleaning, cooking, washing, ironing, and ask if they need something or anything.
Can you cook Chinese dishes? Like what?
No, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you operate electrical appliances? Like what?
Microwave, iron, washing machine, vacuum.
How about washing car? Do you wash car very well?
No, but I'm willing to learn.
Do you love pets? Like what?
Like dog and cats.
Most people in Hong Kong speak Cantonese. Are you willing to learn and speak the language?
Yes, I'm willing to learn.
Is it okay if your holiday will not be scheduled on Saturday or Sunday?
Yes.
Do you have any experience in taking care of elderly? If yes, please elaborate your experience.
No, but I'm willing to learn.
What promises do you have for a future employer?
I will work hard, honest to them, and loyal, and take